How to reorder clips in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. In CapCut, simply import the video or pictures. After you have done that, to reorder, what you need to do is select the picture you want to move. After you've selected, hold on to that image. Hold on to that image until this kind of option will show up. After that, you can simply move the picture wherever you want. As you can see, you can move it to the front, or again, if you had to move it to the back, simply hold on and swipe it to the right to move it back. And this is how to reorder clips in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more calc question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.